Hi, my name is Anupam and this is Introduction to Terraform. This video is for anyone new to Terraform who is interested in learning infrastructure as a code. In next few minutes, we'll talk about infrastructure as a code and its benefit. We'll also talk about what Terraform is and what are its advantages, etc. So let's get started. So what is infrastructure as a code? Infrastructure as a code is the process of managing infrastructure in a file or files. So basically we write code to deploy our infrastructure, rather manually configuring resources in user interface. Terraform is an infrastructure as a code tool that allows you to build, change and version infrastructure safely and efficiently. So wherever we'll write code, we can also manage them using our version control systems like Git or Subversion, etc. Different cloud providers have their native IAC tools like Azure ARM template for Azure, CloudFormation for AWS, Google Deployment Manager for GCP. Now let's talk about the benefits of IAC. The first and obvious benefit of IAC could be speed. You can spin up the infrastructure within a matter of few minutes or second. You can also reuse the same written code to deploy similar components for different projects and different environments. Since you have written the code for your infrastructure deployments, you can also commit and push that code to hosting repositories, and you can manage different version of that code. That can also help you to keep track of the progress and can also help you in the situations of rollback. Last could be like say you can also maintain the consistent configuration across the environment or across the project, whatever you want. So infrastructure as a code can also help organization to ensure same configuration for all the environments. Let's talk about Terraform. A bit about Terraform is that it was initially released in July 2014. It is written in Go programming language. The latest version of Terraform is 1.5.2 as of 12th of June 2023. Let's talk about a couple of features of Terraform. It is cloud agnostic. What does that mean? It means that it is not limited to a single cloud provider, such as your cloud formation is limited to AWS or Azure Resource Manager is limited to Azure only. But Terraform is not limited to a single provider. Terraform supports all of the major cloud providers and allow IT organization to focus on learning a single tool for deploying its infrastructure regardless of what platform it's being deployed on. The second and important characteristic of Terraform is that it is idempotent. The idempotent characteristics provided by IAC tools, or you can say in case of Terraform, ensures that even if the same code is applied multiple times, the result remains same. So no matter how many times you execute the code, if the infrastructure is deployed, it won't change the infrastructure. Let's talk about the Terraform editions. Terraform offers three different editions. One is open source and two are closed source. So Terraform open source is freely available without any licensing cost. It is self-managed and mostly companies prefer to use Terraform open source. But here you won't get any kind of official support, but you'll also have a rich community support here. The two closed source editions of Terraform are Terraform Cloud and Terraform Enterprise. Both comes with a license cost. Terraform Cloud is available as a hosted service at say app.terraform.io. Full support and additional features are provided as compared to the open source. The support is limited to standard and plus editions or standard and plus plans of Terraform Cloud. As Terraform Cloud is available in three plans: free, standard, and plus. So the full support and additional features are available in say standard and plus plans. Coming to Terraform Enterprise, it is a self-hosted version of Terraform Cloud. Hence, infrastructure calls would also be there because you have to deploy the infrastructure in order to install Terraform Enterprise. Although you'll get full support and additional features compared to open source, but there would be some licensing cost. Let's talk about Terraform open source installation. In our discussion, we'll talk about Terraform open source. We won't be discussing about Terraform cloud or Terraform enterprise. So in order to install Terraform, you can opt for two methods. Either you can go for the automatic installation or you can do the manual installation. So if you want to do the automatic installation, visit this Terraform download page and select the operating system of your choice. Say you're using the Windows operating system or you're using the Linux or any other operating system that you're going to use. Select that operating system and then select the Terraform version and then follow the on-screen instructions. In order to install the Terraform open source manually, you have to visit releases.hashicorp.com/terraform and then you need to download that binary package, and then that binary package will be downloaded in zip form. You have to unzip that form and then move that to a directory included in your system's path. So that's how you can install Terraform open source. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next lecture.